everyone, it's Spark0000 AJ here, and today we're going to be looking at the new Animal Jam updates. Now, I know they've been out for like 2 weeks or so, but I just hadn't had time to make a video for it. So, we're going to be checking them out today. So, let's go from this one. Adventures. Did you know that you and your buddies can embark on adventures to help defend Jamar? Click on the map and click the adventure icon, or find adventures in the adventure base camp in the party list. Now, I have nothing wrong with this, but the thing is, Animal Jam, it's not like adventures have been out since you started the game. So, that's the thing, like, Animal Jam is a very weird game. No offense to you, Animal Jam, but it's very confusing. Let's get on to the next update. Spring looks. Spring fashions and items are arriving in Jamar's shops all the time. Is your outfit ensemble looking spectacularly springy? And don't let your springtime den fall behind. There are lovely gardens arriving in Jamar's shops all season long. Now, I personally don't like Animal Jam releasing more tales because they're just going to get messed up, and I don't know, I just don't feel like it's right for them to release any more like spring items, because they've been in the game for a long time and I think we all know what to do. AJ, don't come at me. Okay, next one. Okay, so the next one is bundle content in the Diamond Shop. Starting in May, Animal Jam's monthly bundle content is moving to the Diamond Shop. Each month you'll be able to stock up on awesome avatars, pets, accessories and den items directly in the Diamond Shop. So save up your diamonds and be sure to check out what cool theme is available every month. So this is quite interesting. It doesn't push my buttons a lot, but it doesn't push my buttons, you know. It doesn't nudge you on the shoulder and say, you know, that's fun. But it's a fine update for Animal Jam. So, the next one is Pet Meerkats. Pet Meerkats has surfaced in Jamar. Now, keep in mind, meerkats have been in the game for quite a long time, and now they're telling us that they've just come back. Were they travelling? Was I not aware of this? I don't know. It's just a bit weird. But anyway, on to the next update, and the worst update of all time in Animal Jam. Here it is, folks. Animal Jam Classic. The worst update Animal Jam has ever in the history of Animal Jam. For nearly 10 years, AnimalJam.com has brought players from around the globe together for fun and adventure in the world of Jamar. There's no other way to say it. It is classic. That's why this desktop version of Animal Jam is now called Animal Jam Classic, and it will be sticking around. Please, God, please no. As for the Animal Jam Play World mobile app, it's just becoming Animal Jam. And I'm just thinking, oh God, please, no! 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 Now, there are a lot of things wrong with this. People are experiencing difficulties getting onto the app because of this new Animal Jam Classic. And I don't know, it just seems like a very weird update to have since it's just been so sudden. And I'm lucky because I recently got the Animal Jam app, and it literally just updated to Animal Jam Classic, and it's barely letting me on the app. So Animal Jam really needs to fix this. Now that I'm done having a rant, let's go on to the next update. The Summer Carnival coming soon. I really like the Summer Carnival. You can get game tickets. As you can see from last year, I have 2,000 game tickets. And yeah, the Summer Carnival coming soon. I really like the Summer Carnival personally because you get ice cream, you get candy floss, you get exclusive items, and it's just awesome. That's all I have to say about that. Now, there are a lot of things wrong with classic items. Classic items. They're not classic because they haven't been in the game this whole time we've been playing Animal Jam. They've just came out. We're classic, celebrating Animal Jam Classic. These are fake den betas. If people keep telling me these are real, they are not. Do not believe it. It is not real, okay? And I just think the colour schemes are really weird. Not gonna lie, it's an okay update. 2 claps for that one, Animal Jam. Possibly the best update in this whole entire update, Nurturing Vet Bundle. Now, for me, I'm only 12, but that doesn't mean I don't have dreams. I have 2 dogs, 2 rabbits, and many more mysterious pets. And I've always wanted to be a vet, but my mum tells me no because, it doesn't get paid much. But that's okay. Now I can just do it in Animal Jam. Nurturing Vet Bundle. You can find the Nurturing Vet Bundle in the Diamond Shop. Take care of Jamal's littlest animals with the for God's sake, Nurturing Pet Vet Bundle. It comes with an otter, a pack of 10 pets, a collection of vet accessories, and a set of den items to keep your pets happy and healthy. This veterinary bundle is available for 40 diamonds in the Diamond Shop. Now, I have 5 diamonds. If any of you want to donate diamonds to me, I will make a shop, and yeah, you can just do that. Oh my goodness. As you can see, I have a lot of gems, so if you're in need of, do you have any short spike wrists for gems, a lot of gems, 50,000 or 100,000, DM me up on Instagram at sparks.ajj. AJJ, haha. Let's go and check out this Nurturing Vet Bundle. Finally in Jamal Township. I'm not that famous, no one recognises me. Cries. Okay, let's go into the Diamond Shop and check out this new bundle. Whoa. T says stop. Wow. Okay, here's the bundle. Take care of Jamal's littlest animals with the Nurturing Vet Bundle. It comes with an otter, a pack of 10 pets, a collection of vet accessories, and a set of den items to keep your pets happy and healthy. Now, because I'm a poor jammer, I cannot afford this. Please gift me unwanted. Thank you so much. I'm feeling a bit generous today. So let's gift them something. What should we gift them? Let's gift them this diamond necklace. Because I'm feeling a bit gifty. Even though I'm tradey all the time. There we go. Nice little gift there. Anyway, let's see what else is new in the Diamond Shop. There's tons of people here for some reason. Let's see what's in the Diamond Shop. A spring party hat. That's just a rip-off. A spring mask, a rip-off. And this blanket, which is also a very big rip-off. And tails, which are also rip-off. Wow, that is a great message. Now, if you guys want to join my mail time for a chance to win a green short wrist, because I kind of got hacked of my other short. So if you want to get a chance to win, all you got to do is gift me. You'll be put on a wheel and you will be entered in the giveaway. Now that you can also enter by going on my Instagram and going on my post where it says the 200 follower giveaway. That will be ending today. So if you guys want to get a chance to win the short wrist, so let me just show you proof because you might be spicy jammers. This short spike wristband, just comment on my video. No, comment on my post, and yeah, that's all you gotta do. Oh, why? How did she take away my rares? What happened here? Oh, caps. Oh, well, that was utterly useless. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.